everyone, it's CB here in the day. We're gonna be playing Roblox. Cool. We have a slide, we have chair, we have also that thing. I'll do it.
Huwag ka nang maglikot naman ha. Sky, ikaw ang pag-aanin ko dito eh.
Okay. So we have a slide. Okay. Now we have a slide. Did this slide is snow? I thought there's nowhere over there. Guys, there's so many slides over here. Okay, so we've got some tables. This is this, and then I don't know then. Yeah, hot dog. Give me some hot dog. Come on, I need some hot dog. Give me some hot dog. Okay. So you really want a hamburger? Okay, I want. What? Let's just okay. This, and over there. These things. So we've got already 4,000 and 5,000, and we've got some 6,000. Okay, we've got that and this, and alright. Yes, I want chocolate ice cream. Okay, I want some soda. Can I have a soda? Oh no, I cannot. So there it is. Let me need that. Soda over there. And also that thing. Okay, so we've got some there and there. And another. Yes. So we got a 4,000 by oh, the grass. This purple flower, yellow flower, and red flower. Alright. Need that thing, and this thing also. And this thing.
Be, tulungan mo ako magtupi. Tupi.
Hey.
Ano na, ayan o. Tulungan mo ako magpagtupi. Oo, tupiin mo. Itupiin mo nga eh.
Alright. Oh, that's a nice ice cream over there.
Ikaw
And also
magtupi.
I have a friend over there working in the shop. Did I have a pool? No, we didn't. Okay.
O, wag na.
Alright, okay.
Wag na, Kirby. Wag na.
What is it? Flower?
Bobby, paki nga ito. Ito mo. Lagay mo doon sa ilalim ng ano. Diba doon yan nakalagay?
And we're back.
Huwag mo naman ganyan eh. May malaglag yan eh.
Oh, we've got some 1,000 over here. Okay.
Ah, doon ka na. Dali ah. Doon ka na. Ay, hindi pa ako tapos mag-listen. Yan, dyan. Ikaw doon. Umusog ka doon.
Yellow, Zoe. I'm gonna go for the circle.
Tayo ka muna. Yan, dyan ka.
What? Five thousand? Are you serious? Isn't that this one? 2,000. We need some 2,000. Okay, we need 1,000. Boom. Alright. Oh, there you go. Are we gonna get some shadow for a winner? Yes.
Bilis ka rin ng kamay.
There's more 10,000. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's quickly get. Okay, I'm gonna go for a hot dog. Okay, as you can see, we're going to go and sit in here. We can sit over here. You can sit. Oh, that's a hot dog. Yes. Got some glasses. And go for this kiddie pool. Get some slides. And this for grown-ups, and there's a slide. Let's try the slide. Let's try the slide over here. Look. Very good. Okay. Let's go up. Okay, there we go. Whee! Okay, I didn't jump. Yeah. Let's go over here. Next one. There we go, jump. Okay. Next one. Okay. Who's that guy? Is that a guy? Oh no, that's not a guy. Is this a purple flower? Jump.
Saan na yung ID naman?
Okay, we're gonna go over here. So we get this here. The black one is from here. This thing. Let's get this. guys. Smooth. Collect it, collect it. And then collect this thing. And we have the tent. And also we got 11 caps. There we go. We're gonna get for this the winner statue. Is that a winner statue? Did you order a winner statue, huh? Yeah, that's the winner statue. Okay, goodbye. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you did, please subscribe. I'm gonna make some more Roblox if you enjoyed this video. So, goodbye. So, please subscribe. Good.